Hi students, I'm Aparna. I'm working as HR mentor in Government College for Women Guntur. Today I'm going to tell you about volume. So every real object occupies some space. It is usually specified by its three dimensions, length, breadth and depth. The object may be solid or hollow. So in case of a circular, cylindrical and spherical object, the specifying dimensions change to radius, angle, etc. In short, the amount of space occupied by the object is called its volume. In case of hollow objects such as tank, bucket, bottle, etc., the amount of liquid required to fill it is called its capacity or volume of the objects. So the units of measurement for volume are m cube, cm cube, inches cube, etc. We illustrate below some important three-dimensional objects and also write formulas associated with them. In general, we will use L, B, H, W, R, D, P, A and B, where L stands for length, B is for breadth, H for height, W for width, R for radius, D for diameter, P for perimeter, A for area and V for volume. Now I am going to tell about volume of a cube. So a cube is a 3D object of a square. All the sides of the cube are equal. The formula for volume of a cube is a cube, where a is the length of any edge of the cube. Next is volume of a cone, a solid or hollow object which tapers from a circular or roughly circular base to a point. The formula for volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is a radius and h is height. Next is volume of a pyramid. A pyramid is a structure whose outer surfaces are triangular and converges to a single step at the top. Examples of a pyramid are a paperweight and Christmas decoration. The formula for volume of a pyramid is 1 by 3 bh, where b is the area of the base of the pyramid and h is its height. So here the height must be measured as the vertical distance from the apex down to the base. Next is volume of a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid with circular base. It can be of the shape of a pillar, a rubber tube, or the trunk of a tree, etc. The formula for cylinder is pi r square h, where the value of pi is approximately 3.142 and r is the radius of the circular end of the cylinder and h is height of the cylinder. Next is volume of a sphere. A sphere is a perfectly round geometrical object in three-dimensional space. The examples for sphere are round ball, globe, earth, moon, etc. The formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next is volume of a prism. A prism is a polyhedron with two parallel faces called bases. The other faces are always parallelograms. Prism has six faces. So example of a prism is a dice. The formula for a prism is area of base into height, where A is the area of the base and H is the height or length of the prism. Now we are going to discuss some examples based on what we learned earlier. The first one is a right angle triangle with sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters is rotated the side of 3 centimeters to form a cone. The volume of the cone so formed is. So now we are going to write whatever is given. So here sides are given. A right angle, three sides here we have 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. As given in the example, we are going to rotate the side into another side in a clockwise direction. So then the side becomes the radius of the cone. So clearly now we have r equal to 3 centimeters and h equal to 4 centimeters. Now we are going to substitute the whatever the values given into the given formula. The formula for volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now we are going to substitute the values here. Radius is already given and h is already given. So which are 3 and 4 centimeters. So by simplifying it, we are getting the answer. Next one is a hollow iron pipe is 21 centimeters long and its external diameter is 8 centimeters. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and iron weighs 8 grams, then the weight of the pipe is. Here diameter is given, thickness is given, height of the pipe is given. So here radius is not given. The formula for volume of the iron is pi r square h. To calculate the radius, we are going to calculate by applying the formula diameter by 2. So as it is a pipe, we are having external radius and internal radius. So formula for external radius is diameter by 2. We are applying the formula by giving what are the values given. Here the diameter is 8 by 2, so that is 4 centimeters, and the internal radius is 4 minus 1, that which is 3 centimeters. Now we are going to substitute whatever the values uh, we got by radius formula. So here we are substituting the values. So by to 22 by 7 into 4 square minus 3 square into 21 centimeter cube. So by multiplying everything, by simplifying, we are getting the answer. Next, a given sphere with a radius 7 centimeters, find the volume of the sphere. Take pi as 3.14. Here the value of pi is already given. The formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We are substituting the values which are already given. Here pi is 3.14 and radius is 7. So by substituting the values, we will get the answer. So next, given a cube with the length of each side as 3 centimeters, find the volume of this cube. Here clearly the side of the cube is given, which is 3 centimeters. The formula for volume of a cube is V equal to A cube. By substituting, you will get the answer. So find the volume of the following right prism. So here area is given, height is given. The formula for volume of a prism is AH. So we are substituting the whatever the values given in the sum. So area is 25 centimeters and height is 9 centimeters. So 25 into 9, that is 225 centimeter cube. Next, a square pyramid has a height of 9 meters. If a side of the base measures 4 meters, what is the volume of the pyramid? So here side is given as 4 meters, height is given 9 meters. Since the base is a square, area of the base is 4 into 4, which is 16 meters. Why we are calculating area of the base means it is a square in shape. The formula for area of a square is side square. So that is 4 into 4, which is 16 m square. So now the formula for volume of the pyramid is B into H by 3. Here base is 16, which we calculated already, and height is 9, which is given in the example. So 16 into 9 by 3, hence 144 by 3, which is 48 m cube. So that is the answer for the given problem.